And we are home. Pero I don't think nakapag-vlog pa ako nung pagdating namin dito sa bahay. I don't remember. Kasi sobrang pagod talaga. Nasa taas kami ng ere for almost an hour. Air traffic in Esso. And then, I slept for a good couple of hours. Then I had to work for a couple of hours. And then I had to go back to sleep kasi hindi talaga kaya yung antok. And I woke up at around 8 o'clock only to learn na walang tubig. So, we're now off to the bestie. That's Sister Sansa, Queen in the North. Oh. Kailangan nila yan kasi one time, 2 weeks yata silang hindi nagkita. Nag-usap silang magkakasakit. Mas magastos. Oh. So, we ordered from Granja Pansiteria. Total bill is 900 lang to, but we got Chami XL na may 5 itlog. We got, ang pinakang importante talaga dito, may pangkalat kami. Fried chicken to, kay Baby J. Ang pinakang importante dito, meron kaming kalat na baon. Tapos, this one is chicken again. This is yours, Baby Chew. Ayan, akin yan. That's a success. And we are back home. I think I'm gonna sleep first. Wala pa rin kaming tubig. Tutulog muna ako. Before I officially get back to work. I have a lot of things going on starting tonight. And I want to make sure that I get enough rest, that I recharge from vacation mode. And I want to do that in such a way na today, hawak ko muna yung oras ko before we get back to work because we hustle like a pro. So, we're about to put up all of our new dream catchers sa ating wall. And I got this one from Likhang Kamay. This is the Tree of Life. Baba niya, medyo nag-ikot-ikot yung mga ano. And sabi ko, teka, wait. I've been doing I've been fixing this for over 30 minutes na, and I feel like it's so therapeutic. I just want to share it with you. Good na yung katulog ko. So yes, update. Nandito yung ating moon. Nandito yung ating, hindi ko makita yan, evil eye. Ito yung ating Tree of Life, which I might actually add a few parang feathers kasi may feathers ako ganun. I will add. And then, Boracay is here. We still have a lot of space in the wall. So, that's that. But I'm loving it. I super, parang, ngayon ko lang na-realize. Yan. I think eventually, we're going to have to change it because right now, it looks, yeah. Okay, but that's that. Meron pa tayong mga space na pwedeng paglagyan. At yan ang ginagawa ni Chukoy sa kanyang ama pag nahiga. But it's already 1 in the morning. I have work to do. I might nap first because medyo antok. Hindi naman ako kailangan sa work until probably around 5. Datag na tayo, mahal ko. Marami kami missing. Pero at least nakaka-utik-utik na tayo ng linis. That is a good sign. So, Good morning. So, it's 7 a.m. of August 22nd and we are prepping for work. Medyo nakakabawi-bawi na tayo sa tulog at sa biyahe. I am really hoping that today is the day that we start getting things done. Kumbaga back to normal na tayo. Yung schedule is masusunod na natin. Kasi apparently, for the past couple of days, although we've been back since Tuesday, for the past couple of days, I have not been able to recover pa from ano lang sinasabi ko. So, syempre, nagsimula na ako magtrabaho, diba? For the past couple of days, I have not felt very productive. Obviously, if you just coming back from a trip, there will be a lot of things that you want to address first before you get started with work. I have this tendency na kahit nagta-travel, minsan nag-work pa rin lang talaga ako. Anyway, ayusin ko muna itong work ko. I have just completed my first set of interviews. I'm now hungry. The best husband ever. Love you. So, meron tayong, ano to? Kilawin. Kinilaw. Binaba niya yung, we also have yung tira kahapon, which is pastil to. And then yung mga pasalubong na hindi ko pa nadadala sa... Hi, Chokoy. Nasa labas pala si Baby Boy. We also have yung mga pinamili natin sa Daiso. Nagagawin ko ngayon. But, kailangan muna natin kumain. Bulok na yung apple ko. So, a new episode, new season of Emily in Paris just came out. And for me, while others look at it as if it's a chick flick, this is a really good series for you to watch if you are around the marketing department, kasi it gives a lot of parang POVs when it comes to different industries, different parang countries and culture, and how marketing integrates to all of that. And that is a success. Ang dumi ng bahay. But, marami pa akong kailangan gawin. So, we are back in the room. Oh, my sweet face. Hi, sweet face. Look at my baby. This is my sweet face. Hello, cutie. Init sa labas. I also got yung pinabili natin na Daiso because kailangan kong kabit tong pegboard. And I am actually thinking na it would look really nice here. But what do you guys think? Wawa naman ang sweet face ko. Nagtatay. Anyway, we are going out. Very, very quick lang naman. Wala pang 1 hour. Because we need to buy coffee. At saka, dadala yata ng, battery. Chokoy noisy. The house looks clean. Gusto ko talaga pag malinis yung na ikabit na rin yung mga ilaw. Mabilisan lang talaga labas to guys dahil meron din ako meeting ng 6 PM. Tuloy-tuloy na yung meeting ko hanggang 11:30. Meron lang akong 30-minute break. And then may work ako ng 12 with one other client. And then tuloy ulit. Siguro mag-off lang ako from 4 hanggang around 8. Tapos interview ulit ako bukas from 8 till 10. And then, yun, kailangan ko na mag-sleep talaga na maayos. So, nakabili na kami ng Proben. It's right there. I had to move my meeting ng 6 o'clock to 6:30. Nakabili na rin kami ng bell pepper kasi yung kinain sa Boracay na adobo, may bell pepper. So, ang gusto ni Papa is yung lulutuin niya is may bell pepper. I am tired. I'm feeling sleepy. Pero I still have meetings up until, I think, 11. So, I'm not sure I'll be able to make it, but I will make it anyway. I will make it happen because I truly believe na if you just focus lang sa goal. And this week, di ba nagagawa ko ng weekly na mindful weekly planning. So, nakalagay doon, if I just get through this week, fine, I will, what do you call this? Alam mo, hindi ko pa na natingnan dito. Dito yung Sige, hanapin ko yung transaction.
Wala daw silang na-receive.
Bakit 955?
Kasama to, 60.
Okay. Anyway, nandito naman yung number. I just get through this week. I will parang disconnect for one whole day. Magbabasa lang ako ng libro. I-relax yung utak ko. So, I'm super tired. Right, Ski? Love you. Buti pa si naka-leave kasi siya until today. So, bukas, one day ka lang papasok, no? One day lang siyang papasok. So, medyo kalmado. Wow. Very astigyante. We're on our way now to my sister-in-law because
We can.
because we can. Hindi kasi dadala namin nung pinabiling proben. Tuwing bibili kasi ako ng proben, lagi kong sinatanong kung gusto niya at yun yung mahilig din sa proben. And we're home. So, let's check. Hingal ako. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meetings pa. 5 meetings na lang. Tapos, I get to sleep at 11. I will see if I can squeeze in na yung ibang work ko. Para tomorrow, actually, alam mo, parang wala ako naka-schedule. Meron. Super early morning yung schedule ko. Okay, alam ko na gagawin ko dito. I will move na the other meetings. Pahingi nga rin akong kape, please. Uy! Ang po naman nun. Good morning mula sa nanay ni Chewy na 8 hours ang tulog. Gusto niya yan. Medyo magpagkaya pa yung mata natin. But it's already 8:25. I need to set up na for an interview. 8:30. Bali 3 interviews lang naman yung gagawin ko. Dun, dun, dun. Mamaya nga ako chichika. Ay, isa-set up ko muna to. It is 6:30. And we are packing real quick. Laptop, cell phone, vape juice. Because we are going to the mall. We need to run some last-minute errands because we got this last-minute plan of going to the beach tomorrow. So instead of doing Sunday reading, Saturday reading na nakaplan ko. And biglaan lang to guys, kaya ano tayo. So I have my laptop, I have my headset, cell phone, wallet, vape. Okay. I think I got everything that I need. We need to go because kanina pa naghihintay si Popski. Ito yung ginawa ng mga bata doon sa room nila. So Lucas and Kuya is both sleeping. Bamboo is here. Yo, Bamboo. Hey, yo, Bamboo. Okay. We're a go. Okay ba yung audio? And we are back home. Productive, but I probably won't be doing it again. Anyway, I am gonna have to work on some vlogs. I need to publish some vlogs. I'm going to edit tonight. Tomorrow is family day. So I'm really excited to just be spending the whole day without my laptop, without work, nang talagang lang ako. Excited talaga akong magbasa ng libro. Ang chipanga ng ng kaligayahan ko. Gusto ko lang isang afternoon na hindi nagsasalita, hindi kung ano man, kung hindi nagbabasa lang ng libro. I think yun yung nawawala dun sa sa Boracay na hindi ko nagawa yun, which is why I am very excited for the opportunity to just sit down and read a book tomorrow sa tabi ng dagat habang nag-e-enjoy with the family. I hope you are enjoying these types of vlogs so far. Some things that you don't often see on TikTok because TikTok is for short films or short form videos and YouTube is para sa mga mahahaba. Hi, on our way to... Bakit? Ano yung kulay? Parang putlang-putla ako. So, on our way to Dalampasigan to spend some time with the family. Sabay na kami ni Kuyang sinundo kasi kami ay mga night shift na mag-ina. Kuyat ya. Thank you. Ano meron? Magnum. Ah, Magnum na ganon. Sige nga. Sa 7 na yan.
Apo.
Magkanong isa?
30 po yung Magnum.
Ah, sige. Kunin ko na lahat. Ah, ginugupit na? Hindi, wag mo na munang gupitin yung iba. Ay, wait lang. Eto na.
Mami, yan ang bestseller naman.
Akin to. Naka-Magnum ka na. Ha? Hindi ka pa ba? Ay, yan na. Yeah. Ako muna. Hati tayo. Ah, sorry.
Hindi pa po siya nakatikim kami.
Hindi.
Nita!
Kaya mo ako, nagtatato ako. Nagtatato.
Hi, we're here at Dalampasigan. And Bamboo is walking, ha? Asa si Char? Yeah. Yan. Chukoy bagang. Akin na.
Nakakaano ha?
Oo.
Anong pakailangan ni download?
Meron na,
DJI
ano,
app.
DJI. Tama, dito. Sure. Dito. Ayun. Bestie!
Tropa, ari ka. Ambo.
Ayun.
Hello. Uy, hindi ka pwede dito, Chewy.
Sige, Chewy. Go! Go! Ay, umupo na. Umbe! Hindi pa. Ay, nasakit sa paan yung ano. Ouch! Ang sakit naman nun, Bamboo. Ang gaspang ng ano.
Ang buhangin.
Tignan mo ginawa ni Bamboo sa akin. Hindi ba yan takot sa tubig si Bamboo?
Takot? Takot yan, paligo. Hindi ka pa pwede maligo, Bamboo.
Mga magbabayad daw ng ice candy, nasa na?
4:30 na ba?
Nag-bike daw siya.
Bilis Hindi ulit?
Bumbo! Oo.